Good morning, track fans. How you doing? And welcome to a bonus track edition. So, good friend of mine, Richard Paddison, hit me up with a nice Scalextric track that his partner found in her attic, cleared out by Joshua or Oliver. Nice one, boys. So I've had a closer look. This is a 1989, as far as I can make out, track, because there's nothing on the box. So I've set it up, and I've invited you, Albert, and track fans to be a part of the live test. I have no idea if this is going to work or not, so let's figure it out together. I don't even know which controller's which. Let me have a look. We got proper retro stuff here. Look at this. This is the stuff dreams are made of. You'll have seen from the photo intro how the power goes to the underside of the track. So, black controller, let's go. We're ready. On the track. Don't know who's going to drive, but let's drive. Oh! And we got a stoppage already on the first corner. Hang on. Let's try and help him on. Here we go. Oh, he's got a stoppage on the crossovers. Oh, he's not got much power, this one, track fans. Okay. Put the red one down. Let's get the... put the black one down. Let's get the red one. It's going to be controlling the Lotus. Here we go, track fans. Let's drive. Okay, let's not drive. Let's drive. Whoa, he's off. He's off. He's got more skin in the game. Oh, he can make it. No, he's got stuck. Where's the noodle? Albert, where's the noodle? Here's the noodle. Let's give him some encouragement. Can we get a lap out of him? Oh, he's off the table. I'll take it as a no. Wait there, let's go and rescue him. There he is. We've got a spoiler off. We've got a spoiler off. We haven't even got the track set up with the barriers on this. This is rock and roll. I didn't want to do all the barriers in case the whole thing didn't work. It's not looking too great, but a little repair on the track. Bonus track. Right, let's get there. Oh no! Oh, we are out of power. No! What do we do? Break out the Aston Martin. Let's see if we can get a go on this one. Right, track fans, we're on the black controller for the outside track. Here we go. What? Burn out! Burn out! Burn out! We aren't touching the track. We've got no traction. Let's put it here. See if that is on the track. Is it on the track? Let's go, track fans. No! The modern car won't work on the vintage track. The vintage track of 1989-ish. Anyway, track fans, Albert, well done. See you soon, guys.